J Rise, time to see. Yeah, just all the things we've been through, it's just been crazy. But even though we had to let go, I just want you to know that I still love you, I still got you.
Never should've let you go, never find myself at home. Ever since that day that you walked right out the door, you were like my beating heart that I can't control. Even though we've grown apart, my brain can seem to let you go. Thinking back to the old times when you kept me up late at night. We used to mess around, laugh and play, fuss and fight. I guess it's too late, I'm dancing this dance alone. This chapter's done, the story goes on. Baby, can't believe that you are not with me, 'cause you should be my lady. All I want is to set your heart free. But if you believe that you belong with him, promise me you won't let anyone hurt you. Remember, I will always be here for you, even if it kills me to see you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. See you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. Oh no, snapping out this misery, depression is ain't me, but I always turn around 180 degrees. You got control of me that I can't explain. Somebody call 911 emergency before I go insane. Since you've moved on, you took a piece of me, give it back. So much pain in my chest, blacking out, heart attack. I guess it's too late, I'm dancing this dance alone. It's too late.
See you with your man, and it's hard to understand if we belong. If I did you wrong, where we even began. We would always fuss and fight, and it seems nothing was right. But I loved you, girl, and you were my world. But you never trust this guy, 'cause the things I do when I'm on the stage, they say I'm a superstar. You couldn't understand all the female fans, and then we grew apart. And I just don't get when you're acting like some other person. But I try my best to hold on at the times when it ain't working. And every time they say it's over, it breaks my heart, and I don't know why. 'Cause you done it a lot of times in the past, but to get back up and try. You said we could work it out, how could you hurt me now? And you moved on to the next, I'm left with an imperfect smile.
Believe that you belong with him, promise me you won't let anyone hurt you. Remember, I will always be here for you, even if it kills me to see you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. See you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. Oh no.
Sa'yo ang pag-ibig na di mababali, kailanman ay di ko kayang sabihin. Ayoko sa'yo itaga sa bato, ang pangako sa'yo ay hindi mababago. Tara, sama ka, ililibot kita sa palasyo ng pusong ikaw ang prinsesa. Ako ang alipin, handang sundin ang lahat ng iyong utos kahit na mahirap. Nasaan ka na ba, mahal ko? sana ay dinggin mo. Mahalin lang kita ay sapat na sinta. Di na ko umaasang ako'y mahalin pa. Nasaan ka na ba, mahal ko? Namimiss kita pag di ka nakikita. Ano ang dapat kong gawin para lang malaman mo ikaw ang mahal? Ang puso kong ito hinahanap ka palagi. At tandaan mo na handa akong maghihintay. Yo, di ko to malilimutan ang pinagsamahan. Ang pangalan mo'y nakatatak sa aking isipan. Maisip ka mo sana akong mahalin. Huwag mo sana pagtabuyan ang katulad kong baliw sa iyo. Lalo na kapag umingiti ka at binago mo ang buhay ko nang dumating ka. Girl, halika, sana sa akin ka na lang. Tanggapin mo sana ang pag-ibig kong ikaw lang. Asahan mo ako'y maghihintay sa iyo, giliw ko. Wala nang iba akong mamahalin kundi ang tulad mo. Nasaan ka na ba, mahal ko? Namimiss kita pag di ka nakikita. Ano ang dapat kong gawin para lang malaman mo ikaw ang mahal? Ang puso kong ito hinahanap ka